So we were finding the surface area of a cuboid, right? Surface area of a cuboid. And we reach here. Area of one, area of region 1, area of region 2, area of region 3, area of region 4, area of region 5, area of region 6. Okay. Area of region 1 is H into L. Region 2, B into L. Area of region 3, B into H. Region 4, L into H. Region 5, B into H. The area of sixth region is, or sixth rectangle is B into L. Okay, is that clear? Okay, now, how many HL are there? HL and LH are same, 2 into 5 and 5 into 2 are equal. So H into L and L into H are equal. So there are 2 H into L. Clear? Plus, then there are 2 B into L. Plus 2 B into H. Clear? That is also clear. Can we take any common value? Is there any common value in all the terms?
No.
Look carefully. There is one. Is there anything common? Look at this, and this. There is something.
2.
Yeah, 2 is common there. So we can take 2 outside. Okay. Then the equation will become H into L. We can write HL. H into L and HL are the same. Okay, H into L എന്ന് പറയുന്നതും HL എന്ന് പറയുന്നതും same ആണ്. ആ into ഒഴിവാക്കാനുള്ള കാരണം, since we are using small letter to indicate the variables, for variables we are using the small letters. അപ്പൊ into ചിലപ്പോൾ X എന്നുള്ള രീതിയിൽ confusing ആവാം. So into normally variables in the case means ഉപയോഗിക്കാറില്ല. We can omit that. We can say HL. Okay, HL plus we took 2 from here, from this term.
BL.
Then BL. Okay, then
Plus BH.
plus BH. Okay, we can just rearrange that. We can just rearrange that. The equation is correct, but let's rearrange that equation for the convenience. 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, this is the equation to find the surface area of a cuboid. Okay, this is the equation to find the surface area of a cuboid. You will be given L, B, and H, length, breadth, and height. Okay. So to remember equation, to remember this equation, you have a shortcut. First we have, wait, I'll use the share screen, whiteboard. Our equation is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. അത് നിങ്ങൾ ഈസി ആയിട്ട് എങ്ങനെ ഓർത്തെടുക്കാം? I'll tell you. L, B, and H. These are the variables, right? Length, breadth, height. These are the variable. Okay. So equation to find the surface area of the cuboid. Surface area of the cuboid. You have to remember 2 into. 2 into is there. Okay. Now, first, multiply L with B. Okay. L, B. After that, multiply B with H. Clear? Then it will become BH, and plus finally multiply H and L. It will give you HL. Clear? This is the equation to find the surface area of a cuboid. 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Clear? Okay, then let's do an example. Please leave a page to write this derivation. Okay, please leave a page to write this derivation, and not now. I'll share this in the class group, then you have to copy this. Find the surface area of the cuboid. Find the surface area. Wait. You have to write it after leaving a page. You can write this. Example 1. Find, F should be capital. Find the surface area of the cuboid whose length, breadth, and height are. Yeah, you have to write this. 15 centimeter, 10 centimeter, and 20 centimeter respectively. Find the surface area of this example you have to write. Okay, this is an example. Example 1. Find the surface area of the cuboid whose length, breadth, and height are 15 centimeter, 10 centimeter, and 20 centimeter respectively. Example 1. Find the surface area of the cuboid whose length, breadth, and height are 15 centimeter, 10 centimeter, and 20 centimeter respectively. So what you have to write down first? You have to write down the values given in the question. Clear? Write down the values given in the question. What are the data given in the question? What you can find from the question? What is this 15 centimeter? Did you get the answer? Okay, let's not waste our time. Joel, listen to me. Can you tell me what are the data given in the question? What are the things given in the question? There are some values, there are some numbers. What are they? Find the surface area of the cuboid whose length, breadth, and height are 15 centimeter, 10 centimeter, and 20 centimeter respectively. What are these data? We are considering a cuboid. Okay, we are considering a cuboid. Its length, breadth, and height are given, right? In the question, we have the length, breadth, and height of the cuboid. Joel, please turn on your video. Okay, in this question, we have the length, breadth, and height of the cuboid. We are going to find the surface area of the cuboid. ഒരു cuboidന്റെ surface area കാണണമെങ്കിൽ we should know the length of the cuboid, breadth of the cuboid, and height of the cuboid. Clear? Is there any cuboid? Wait. See, it's a cuboid. We are going to find the surface area of this cuboid. Okay. So this is the length, and suppose the longest side, this is the length, and this is the breadth, and this is the height. Clear? We should know the length, the breadth, and the height to calculate the surface area of this cuboid. Clear? Okay, these values are given in the question, right? L, B, and H. Those are given in the question, right? So when you start answering, you have to write what is L here? What is L here?
15 centimeter.
15 centimeter. It is given in the question. Okay. Is there B? B
10 centimeter.
10 centimeter. Yeah. And H?
20 centimeter.
H is 20 centimeter. These values are directly given in the question. Right? So we have the equation to find the surface area of the cuboid, right? This is the equation to find the surface area of the cuboid. Surface area of the cuboid is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. ഈ ഇക്വേഷൻ നിങ്ങൾ കാണാതെ പഠിക്കണം. ഇനി കാണാതെ പഠിച്ചില്ലെങ്കിൽ ഓർക്കാനുള്ള മാർക്ക് ഞാൻ തൊട്ട് മുമ്പേ പറഞ്ഞു തന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, L into B, 2 into common ആണ്, അത് അവിടെ എഴുതാം. Then L into B, B into H, H into L. Clear? Then we can substitute the values here. If we know the equation, then it is easy. The second step is to substitute the values. Then let's do the substitution like this. What is L? L into B. L into
15
B.
centimeter.
Yeah, 15 into 10.
10.
Okay. ഇത് നിങ്ങൾ ഇൻറ്റു തന്നെ നമ്പേഴ്സ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഇൻറ്റു തന്നെ ഇടണം. വേരിയബിൾസിന്റെ കേസിൽ നമ്മൾ ഇൻറ്റു ഒഴിവാക്കുന്നത് കേട്ടോ. പ്ലസ് ബി എച്ച്. ടെൽ മീ ബി എച്ച്.
10 into 20.
10 into 20. Plus and finally HL. 20 into 15. Right. 20 into 15. Then closing. Oh, it's already there. Now calculation. 2 into അവിടെ തന്നെ ഇരിക്കട്ടെ. നമുക്ക് let's do the things inside the bracket. Okay. 15 into 10. We know that. What is it? Tell me the values. 150 plus 10. 10 into 20.
200.
200 plus 20 into 15.
300.
300. Okay. Then again, let's simplify the values inside the bracket. Then it will become 2 into 300 plus 200.
500.
500 plus 150.
650.
650. Okay, 650. It will give you
1350.
Square meter. Square centimeter. Clear? 1300 square centimeter. This is area. So its unit is square centimeter. Clear? Joel manslayo. Okay. Then this is a surface area of a cuboid. Then there is one more thing, lateral surface area. Are you guys sitting inside a room? You guys are sitting inside a room, right? Yeah. So the place we are sitting, we are actually sitting inside a cuboid, right? Inside the cuboid. The floor is the base, ceiling is the top. Okay, and here is a wall, and left and right, another wall. Right. Okay, when we consider the lateral surface area, there is one more term, that is lateral surface area. Wait. Font is very small. Lateral surface area. How we can find that? Actually, lateral surface area is nothing but the area of the cuboid except adding the area of the base and top. നമ്മുടെ ഫ്ലോറും സീലിംഗും ഒഴിവാക്കി നമ്മുടെ ചുറ്റും 4 wall ഉണ്ട് അല്ലേ? There are 4 walls around us. The area of that 4 walls is the lateral surface area. നമ്മളെ കവർ ചെയ്ത് ഇങ്ങനെ നിൽക്കുന്ന ആ വോൾസിന്റെ ടോട്ടൽ ഏരിയ ആണ് lateral surface area. In that, ബേസും ടോപ്പും ഫ്ലോറും സീലിംഗും പെടില്ല. Okay? മനസ്സിലായോ? When we calculate this, when we'll try to find the lateral surface area of the cuboid, we will not consider the area of the base and top. We will not consider the floor and ceiling. Okay. Only the lateral walls we will consider. There are 4 walls, right? So area of the first wall, area of the second wall, area of the third wall, area of the fourth wall will give us the lateral surface area. Clear? Then let's derive the equation to find the lateral surface area. So this is the cuboid, right? This figure shows the cuboid. Clear? And I'm going to, and this is the top of that cuboid, right? Where are we going? Stay there. This is the top of the cuboid. We should not include that. Okay. So delete. And this is the base, right? This rectangle is the base. And we should not include that. Delete. So only these area will give us the lateral surface area. Clear? ഇത്രയും പോർഷനിൽ നിന്നാണ് നമുക്ക് lateral surface area വേണ്ടത്. We will not consider the base and top. Clear? So tell me the lateral surface area now we can find it. Tell me the lateral surface area will be equal to the area of region 1, area of rectangle 2, area of rectangle 3, and area of rectangle 4. Clear? Area 1 plus area 2 plus area 3 plus area 4 will give us the lateral surface area of that cuboid. Clear? So now you tell me area of rectangle 1. Area of rectangle 1. Tell me, what is the area of rectangle 1? You know the length and you know the breadth. Area of rectangle 1. What is it?
മിസ് ഇത് എഴുതണോ നോട്ടില്?
ഇതിപ്പോ നിങ്ങൾ എഴുതണ്ട, ഇപ്പൊ പറഞ്ഞാ മതി. I'll share this to your class group. Then you have to copy. Now you explain it to me. I mean, tell me the answer. What is the area of the rectangle 1? This is the rectangle 1, the shaded rectangle. You know the length and breadth, right? Variables are there. Okay, here length of this rectangle is h, breadth is L. Then what is the area of that rectangle? Tell me fast. Unmute and say, then only I can hear you.
Two into L plus B.
No. Area I'm asking. This is the rectangle, right? This is a rectangle. Can you identify the rectangle? This is the first rectangle. Okay. What is here? What is the length of this rectangle? Tell me the length of the rectangle 1. This selected rectangle. What is its length? What is its length? This line shows the length of the rectangle. What is its length? And it is there. I gave some value. There is a variable which denotes the length of the rectangle. What is that?
H.
H. Then tell me what is the breadth of this rectangle?
L.
Yeah. Then what is the area of that rectangle?
H into L.
Yeah, good. H into L. Same way, consider rectangle 2. Tell me its area.
B into H.
B into H.
Okay, B into H.
Into H.
Now consider rectangle 3. Tell me its area.
H into L.
H into L.
H into L, good. H into L. Then the last rectangle, the fifth.
B into H.
B into H. B into H. B into H. So there are two HL, right? There are 2 times HL. H into L 2 തവണ ഇല്ലേ? Here and here. Clear? It will become 2 into HL. മനസ്സിലായോ? And same way, here is a BH and here is also another BH. It will become
2BH.
It will be-
2B into H.
2B into H. Okay. Let's remove this. If you write this, multiplication ആയതുകൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് ബ്രാക്കറ്റ് എഴുതണം നിർബന്ധമില്ല അല്ലേ? ബ്രാക്കറ്റ് ഇട്ടാലും ഇതേ മീനിങ് തന്നെ കിട്ടാം. Is there anything common? Here, 2. Only 2?
H.
2H is common,
H.
right? ഇവിടെ ഒരു 2H ഉണ്ട്, ഇവിടെയും ഉണ്ട് ഒരു 2H. 2 into H. 2 into H. അല്ലേ? Yeah, there in both terms we have 2H. Let's take it outside. And when we take 2H outside, what's remaining here? Only
L.
L. Then
B
plus.
also.
B also there.
That's we are moving on. In the first term, we are considering this term only. ഈ ഒരു term നമ്മൾ first time consider ചെയ്യാം. From this, when we take 2H outside, there is only L. Okay. Now we are moving on to the next term. We are moving on to this term. അപ്പോൾ അതിന് മുമ്പുള്ള ഓപ്പറേറ്റർ L plus ആണ് അല്ലേ? Keep it there. And now consider this term.
B.
We took 2h outside. What's remaining there?
B.
B. Okay. 2h into L plus B. This is the lateral surface area of a cuboid. Okay. This is the lateral surface area of the cuboid. Clear? In here also we should know the length, breadth and height of that cuboid. Clear? 2h into L plus B. Length and breadth add here. Adine 2 times height. 2 into height കൊണ്ട് multiply here. Clear?
Miss, question measurements varile.
Yeah, question measurements will be there in the question. Now you may please write down the question. Please leave one page. Okay, please leave one page to write the derivation. After that, you may write the question. Find the, wait. Find the lateral surface area of the cuboid whose length, breadth
Yes.
and height are 15 centimeters. Tell me.
ഈ എക്സാമ്പിൾ 1ന്റെ കണ്ടിന്യൂഷൻ താഴെ കണ്ടിന്യൂ ചെയ്ത് എഴുതിയാൽ മതിയോ?
After example 1, you should leave space to write the derivation for the lateral surface area. Okay. After that, you can write it as an example. Okay. Please write it fast. Lateral surface area of the cuboid. Find the lateral surface area of the cuboid whose length, breadth and height are 15 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 20 centimeter respectively.
Miss 1000 square centimeter.
1000 square centimeter. I didn't do the value. I don't know. Let's do it. 2h. Okay, correct. So from the question, you can identify what is L, B and H. Okay, L, B and H. L is 15 centimeter, B is 10 centimeter and H is 20 centimeter. Then lateral surface area of the cuboid. First you have to write the equation. What is it? Lateral surface area of the cuboid. What is the equation?
2h into L plus B.
2h into L plus P. Okay, എവിടെയാണ് ബ്രാക്കറ്റ് വരുന്നത് എവിടെയാണ് ബ്രാക്കറ്റ് വരാത്തതെന്നൊക്കെ ക്ലിയർ ആയിട്ട് മനസ്സിലാക്കി പഠിക്കണം കേട്ടോ. L plus B മാത്രമേ ആഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നുള്ളൂ അല്ലേ? Length and breadth we are adding here. Okay, 2h into L plus B. That is the equation to find the lateral surface area of a cuboid. Now we can do the substitution. 2 into what is h here? Substitute ചെയ്ത് പറഞ്ഞേ. Tell me.
20.
20.
2 into 20. Sorry. 2 into 20
Into
into
15 plus 10.
15 plus 10. Okay. Now first you simplify the values inside the bracket. Okay. 2 into 20 into
25.
25. Okay. You can multiply this like this. 2 into 25, what will you get?
50.
50.
50.
50 into 20. 5 into 2, 10. രണ്ട് zeros ഉണ്ട് എടുത്തെഴുതാം.
1000.
Okay. 2 into 25, you will get 20 into 50. 20 into 50. 20 into 50 എന്നാൽ 2 5 multiply 2 zeros എടുത്തെഴുതാം. So you will get 1000 square centimeter. Right? 1000 square centimeter. This is the answer. Clear? Actually, equal to എഴുതുമ്പോൾ ഇങ്ങനെ താഴെ താഴെ ഇട്ട് പോകുന്നതാണ് കേട്ടോ ഭംഗി. ഇതിപ്പോ ഞാൻ ഇടയ്ക്ക് ഒരു സാധനത്തിനെ വലിച്ചേറ്റിട്ടതുകൊണ്ട് പോയതാ. 1000 square centimeter. Did you get it? Got it? Right? Okay. Only 6 minutes left. This is the, okay, tell me the equation to find the surface area of a cuboid. What is the equation?
2 into
L plus B.
B plus BH plus
Surface area, surface area. Surface area of a cube. 2 into.
2 into
See,
LB
just
plus
do not look at the textbook. Now try to remember it. 2 into is there. Okay, LBH. From that, L into B plus B into H plus
BH
H into L.
into LB.
Okay, you have to remember it. Clear? 2 into LB BH
plus
HL. ഇതിനെല്ലാം നടുക്ക് ഒരു പ്ലസ് അല്ലേ? 2 into LB plus BH plus
H
HL.
plus
Okay.
H12.
Okay. Then what is the equation to find the surface area? Sorry, lateral surface area.
2H into L plus B.
2H, 2H into L plus B. Okay. Then we have 5 minutes. In that 5 minutes, let's talk about the cube. Rubik's cube. Not Rubik's cube. Okay. We know for a cube, it also has 6 faces. And all the 6 faces are which shape? All the 6 faces are
Square shape.
square shape. Okay. If you know one side of the square, we can easily find the what? Surface area of the square. Okay. In the case of a cube, how many squares are there?
6.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ഇതൊരു ക്യൂബിനെ നിവർത്തി വെച്ചതാണ് കേട്ടോ. Okay, you will get like this. ഇപ്പൊ ഒരു ക്യൂബ് ഷേപ്പ് ഉള്ള എന്തെങ്കിലും ബോക്സ് നിങ്ങൾ അഴിച്ച് നിവർത്തി വെച്ചാൽ the figure will be like this. Yeah, tell me.
മിസ് റൈറ്റിലോട്ടുള്ള ലാസ്റ്റത്തെ പകുതി മുറിച്ച് അപ്പുറത്തും കൂടെ ഇടുവായിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ സൈഡ് എല്ലാം ശരിയായി.
സൈഡാ?
റൈറ്റിലോട്ട് കിടക്കുന്നതിന്റെ രണ്ടാമത്തതിന്റെ പകുതി വെച്ച് മുറിച്ചിട്ട് ഇപ്പുറത്തോട്ട് ഇടുവാണെങ്കിൽ സെയിം ആയെന്നെ രണ്ട് സ്ഥലം.
അതിൽ എളുപ്പം ഇതാ. Because we have a square, no? In that case, you have to consider the half of the square. Or a full square ആണ് നമുക്ക് കൈകാര്യം ചെയ്യാൻ എളുപ്പം. So tell me, what is the area of this square? Whose side is A? Suppose it is a square of side A. What is the area of that square?
A into A.
A into A. We can say it A square, right? Or a square on the side, if the side of a square is A, the area of the square will be A into A, that is A square. Clear? How many squares are there in the case of cube?
6.
So the surface area of the cube will be?
A square into
Area,
6.
yeah, area of 1 square into 6, right? Surface area of the cube will be equal to area of a square into 6. Why this 6 came into 6 എങ്ങനെയാ വന്നത്? What is the 6 here?
Sides of a cube.
Not sides, face. Face. A square, sorry, cube has 6 faces and all the 6 faces are a square. 6 face ഉണ്ട് 6 faces square ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഒരു സ്ക്വയറിന്റെ ഏരിയ കണ്ടാൽ we can easily find the surface area of the cube. That will be 6a square, where a is the side of the square. Okay. If the side of the square is a, the surface area of the cube will be 6a square. Then tell me what will be the lateral surface area of that cube? Lateral surface area. In the case of lateral surface area, how many faces we are considering? Tell me. How many faces we are considering in the case of lateral surface area? Will you consider the base and top?
No, miss.
So out of the 6 faces, we will what? Omit 2 faces.
4
right?
faces.
Yeah, 4 faces we will consider. So the lateral surface area of the cube will be, what will be that? Lateral surface area of the cube. How many faces are there? In the case of lateral surface area, we will consider 4 faces. Okay, we will not consider the base and top. So 4 faces are square. So the lateral surface area of a cube will be 4a square. Clear?
Yes, miss.
Okay, we have only 1 minute left. Let's continue the remaining topic in the next class. Okay, I'll share